The most recent episode of Kokoma Winnie's reality TV show called Chokoza Koko aired yesterday, and the main topic was her former baby daddy Usiyabonga Zulu, who passed away, who was a soccer player, and we all know that their relationship did not end well, as Ugogo Maweni basically took credit of everything that went wrong in Siyabonga Zulu's life. And she said that, you know what, I dealt with him the African way. I bewitched Usiyabonga Zulu because he refused to take care of his children. I stole I had one of his shirt which contained, his dirt, and I used that to make sure that his life is stagnant, and I turned his life upside down and basically making him an alcoholic. Oh, Maweni says that, I made sure that whenever he had some sort of money, he would think about drinking. So on yesterday's episode, he says, I have been dreaming of Siyabonga Zulu, him asking for my forgiveness, tormenting me in my dreams. And I've decided to forgive him because I need to heal. I also need my children to not be tormented by Usiyabonga Zulu. And we saw the alleged shirt that Usiyabonga wore. And Ugomaweni had that shirt whereby she basically performed a ritual where she finally let go of everything that she had, the ritual, the spells that she has done. And unfortunately, I must say that it was too little too late, as Usiyabonga Zulu is no longer alive. And we saw Ugomaweni, of course, going to a ditch somewhere to perform a ritual whereby she basically burns that, and according to her, the spell will just perish and no longer exist. And she says, I did this because I need peace. I need my children to have peace. Of course, we do remember when Ugomaweni went onto the podcast and she was basically each and every radio interview saying that I got to take credit for bewitching Usiyabonga Zulu because he failed to take care of his own children, making me the sole provider. He said, I gotta take credit for that because I dealt with him the African way. Please, guys, do check out this clip and engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
So, yeah.
What happened with Siyabonga Zulu?
Oh, I gotta take credit for that, though.
Yeah? What are we taking credit for? Which one is the sort of? Hey.
I don't know how to answer you guys. I was trying to be a good girl. I've been like...
Just honestly.
Honestly...
Umloile.
Yeah.
Oh!
No way. No, let's not say Kimloile. It's a thing of you think you know better when I've helped you. Do you understand? When you're now on that pedestal, you think you know. I mean, you cannot play for a weak-ass team and ke busy lwena. You get a good contract, I get pregnant, we move out, we move in together, and all is well. Yet you don't have a car at the time. You take my car, you crash my car, and you leave my car somewhere in Soweto. You utamabo icon Wafeba. And it cannot go your bill I think 45,000.
Yakoloi or Yakofeba?
No, Yakofeba.
Yeah, that's icon.
I get a holy soccer player, Pela. Money is nothing. And Abana Khani anyway. Well,
but
some
it's an
of
icon,
them.
though.
Well, some of them, it's just, I think with him, it was more of, and his family was just toxic and horrible and annoying and whatever else, all these mean words you can think of. But honestly speaking, it was a thing of me saying, it's enough now. I'm going to teach you something.
So teach us, girl. How do we do that?
You come to me. I'm going to do it with you.
So you're going to lawyer for us?
What is the thing? No, but wait, guys, wait. Can I just say something?
Wait,
what
is your vision of the lawyer?
We can't talk about that one. But can I just say something?
It goes for a reason.